not good. Not good at all. Why are you sticky? We're gonna ignore that. I cannot get this eyeshadow palette open for the life of me. Else if it's not sealed. Alright everybody, we are here to potentially destroy my face. We are going to be applying a full face of Dollar Tree makeup to my face. I need to be 100% honest with you guys. I'm a little worried with what this is going to do to my face. You know, most of the stuff at the Dollar Tree is not the best quality, but I just had this idea and wanted to do it, so it's on me if it does not work out very well. I'm filming this at night so that I can take this off fairly quickly. I know this is probably being very dramatic because people probably use things from the Dollar Tree all the time. We'll see. There might be some hidden gems in here. Like, I don't want to just fully discriminate. Just had a thought. All of these are in packages. I'm gonna go take them out of the packages really quick. Just 1 second. I'm glad I decided not to film that because that took an unnecessary amount of time to open all of those packages. Okay. We're just gonna jump on in. One thing that I would like to point out is I cannot figure out how to like close these powders, both of them, like same powder. Oh, can I get it open though? Oh, okay, just have to be a little assertive. Like, okay, this is a powder product, like why is it so hard to close? Now I can't get it to close again. I'm excited to see how these products work. There was no primer there, so I'm just using my normal primer. This is my every single day primer, so it is one that I am familiar with and one that I wear under pretty much all of my foundations. Foundation that I got is the Sassy and Chic Moisturizing Foundation in the shade Light 1, which is actually the whole reason why I decided to do this video. It's like already trying to come out. Oh my gosh, that's like a giant hole for it to go through. Like, I feel like that's gonna make a freaking mess. Oh. Just put that over here. There's no, I don't know any smell, so. All of these products here, like I picked up what I could for face products. So if yours offers more than just these products, and you're like slightly offended, and you're like, why would you pick the worst products there? Or maybe you don't feel like that. I don't know. I just, oh. There's a smell once you start blending it out, but it still doesn't smell like on my hand, so that's weird. I grabbed everything that I could that like was there to use for the different types to like get a full face. So if yours carries something else and you're like, why would you pick up that item? Like you're trying to make them look bad or something like that. I don't know. I promise I picked up everything that I could. It smells very plasticky. That's the vibe I'm getting. But it looks really nice on my skin actually. I don't think I'm gonna need all this product that I put on the back of my hand. That's one layer. It looks beautiful. Blended out amazing with the brush. I hope you can't hear my neighbor's laundry. I will say it is a pretty light coverage. Let me try zooming you guys in here. It looks really nice. I'm gonna just apply it like to the areas where I usually double up my product, which is here. I'm not really getting much coverage from that second edition, honestly. But that's okay. It's a very flattering, like it just looks like my skin. It looks really nice. And I can't smell it now that it's on my face, so that's good at least. Really good shade match. Alright, so far so good. There was no concealer there, like at all. So I'm just gonna quickly apply. Or should I just not? No, we need concealer. Okay, I'm just gonna set it with the nude pressed powder. I'm gonna use this Luxie small contouring brush. Set that. Yeah, we're pretty sticky still, so I'm also gonna apply this to where I'm gonna apply my contour, or bronzer, I guess I should say. I'm gonna get a bigger brush and just honestly apply this all over my face. It's a really nice color for me. So I have this bronzer here. This is the LA Colors bronzer, and it is shiny. I'm just gonna go for it. This is the only bronzer that they had, so I'm just gonna go for it and apply it and see what it looks like, because this is legit. Like, if you were to go there for a full face of makeup, this is what they had. This is happening. Very, very, very red orange. We're gonna dip back in to the face powder and just try to diffuse that a little bit. Look pretty darn sunburnt, at least in real life. So I'm actually going to dip into something else now. So this is the same powder, just in the color tan. So it's a little darker than my skin tone. It's on top of where I just placed that last bronzer. And I bet you're wondering, why didn't you just start with that? Well, because this isn't an actual bronzer. This is like a pressed powder for your face. So I just wanted to go in with their actual bronzer. Looks really, really orangey red. That's what we've got so far. The only blush I could find that did not look absolutely ridiculous is this LA Colors blush in the color Toast. I'm actually kind of excited for this one because it's got some glitter, and I like glittery blushes, so let's see how this one goes. Very pretty color though. I think that foundation is oxidizing like crazy because now my face looks very orange. Maybe it's the powder that I put on top, like the pressed powder. Onward and upward, it's okay. There was no highlighter there. I'm gonna use a lighter color from one of my 3-color eyeshadow palettes. This is the Sunflower palette. And I'm gonna grab this color for my highlight, I think. Kind of sheen to it. So this is what we've got. This is what we're gonna use. Okay, a little pink, but not bad. All right, actually gonna prime my lids really quick with the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is also very affordable, so if you're shopping at the Dollar Tree, I recommend also looking at e.l.f. products, which is sold at your local Walmart and Target. I am gonna set that with this Orchid eyeshadow palette. There is like a white cream shade. It's matte. So I haven't done my brows yet because I'm gonna try to piece together like a little brow something or another from these products that I have. So there obviously wasn't a brow product there. I guess I should have started with that. Maybe this, why are you sticky? Color looks matte. So I'm gonna start with this, see how it looks. This just like popped and oh my god, I thought I was dying. If I could just get it to shape right, that'd be great. Good color. Actually impressed. So let's do our eyeshadows, shall we? I'm gonna start with the Sunflower Trio. Can you see all the powder being kicked up? Yeah. All right, that's okay. I don't even know what color we're gonna do, to be honest. I'm dipping into the next brown over, which is darker, because I feel like that color did nothing for me. I'm really impressed by these, by the way, like blending beautifully, not super pigmented though, which is totally fine. We have this shimmering loose eyeshadow. So I want to take a look at like what color this actually is before I move forward, because I feel like it's kind of not showing correctly in the outer part. Okay, interesting. So that's the color. So it's like a shimmer brown. And I'm gonna dip into the color that I did my brows with actually. I get a smaller blending brush and dip into this cool tone color again, and let's see what we can do, because like I feel like this brown is really dark that's going on the lid, so I'm trying to darken up my crease a little bit. Okay, either my eyes are playing tricks on me, or this is like a duochrome. It definitely is. Ooh, guys, that pigment. What? That is so pigmented. Let's go in with that first, shall we? It's very dark. I'm not mad at it. I keep reaching for this trio because I like it a lot. So I'm just gonna put this on my under eye, center shade here. So I got a liner. This is the LA Colors liquid liner. Try this bad boy out. It's a brush tip. Never used a brush tip. That's okay, we got this. We're gonna try it, let's go. This could be a disaster. I got it in my eye. Put it in the inner corner without getting it in your eye. Okay, ow. This is a no for me, and it's probably just because I'm incompetent. A moment of silence for my liner. I need to hurry the F up. So I'm gonna play with this mascara. This is ColorMade's mascara, and that's a very standard wand. Not really doing anything. Okay. Okay, that did a little more. Let's try that on this side. We're gonna use this. So this is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara, and it's a very similar brush but a little thinner. So maybe it can grab the lashes a little more. We're looking a little spidery. This is a really good thin wand for the under eyes or lips. Okay. I'm excited to try this one, really excited. So this is the Intense Color Lip Gloss in Dancer, which I love the name. Oh, you're a little light, aren't you? It's very weird, like squeezy tube. I was excited for it. Okay, we might survive this video. I wouldn't really call it a gloss. Not a big fan of the color on me. And this applicator, let me show it to you, because I didn't really show it to you. Let me wipe it off first because it's disgusting looking. This is the applicator. So we need some sort of sponge or something here because it's just straight up plastic and a hole. Very hard to apply. So I just had to use a lip brush, which is not very realistic if you're just out and about trying to apply a little more gloss. And like I said, it's not really a gloss. It's like kind of matte looking, to be honest. It like really dried out my lips in the short amount of time it was on there. The other color is also from LA Colors, and it is their lipstick. This is in the color Luscious Wine. Okay, there we go. It's just a little pinky compared to what I was expecting, but that's okay. Had to warm it up a little bit on my lips before it started to really work. We survived this together. This is probably the hardest makeup I've ever had to do. Holy crap, guys. This is incredible. Like, this one especially is incredible. And I'm not mad about this foundation. I'm a little iffy about the color right now, but I'm gonna try it alone without this bronzer and see if I like it alone, or see if it's oxidized as much as it really looks like it has. But it could just be the bronzer, let's be honest. And I was not expecting it to be this hard. Trying really hard to fight with my camera. It just keeps overheating. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If it gave you a laugh, give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna go. I will see you all in my next video. And in the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. That's kind of funny to say after complaining this entire video. Okay. That's okay. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.